This video is about how to negotiate with creditors and debt collectors. Dealing with overwhelming debt can be incredibly stressful and can impact your financial well-being. However, it's important to remember that you're not alone in this situation. Many people face financial difficulties and find themselves negotiating with creditors and debt collectors to resolve their outstanding balances. My name is Darius. Welcome to Personal Finance Insights, the channel that helps you make sense of your money. Please note that our content is for educational purposes only, and we encourage you to seek the advice of a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. In this video, we will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips on how to negotiate effectively with creditors and debt collectors, empowering you to take control of your financial future. Understanding the debt collection process. Understanding the debt collection process is crucial for effectively navigating it. When you're unable to make payments to your creditor, your debt may be transferred or sold to a debt collector. These specialized agencies work on behalf of the creditor to recover outstanding amounts, but they must adhere to laws like the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDCPA. The process begins with a notification from the debt collector, who will contact you through letters, calls, or emails to inform you of the debt and demand payment. It's important to respond promptly to avoid further issues. Upon contact, you can request verification of the debt, which the collector must provide. This ensures you have accurate information and prevents potential fraud. Once the debt is verified, you have options to resolve it. Assess your finances and consider negotiating with the collector. You can propose a repayment plan or attempt to settle for a reduced amount. Debt collectors are often open to negotiation, as they want to recover as much as possible. Approach negotiations cautiously, and keep records of all communication. Understand your rights under the FDCPA, to ensure fair treatment. If the collector engages in abusive behavior, you can file a complaint, and seek legal assistance if needed. You need to be proactive, maintain open communication, and explore repayment or settlement options. Step 1. Assessing your financial situation, a path to successful negotiations. When it comes to negotiating effectively, the first step is to assess your current financial situation thoroughly. Take the time to evaluate your financial standing by considering various factors. Start by determining the total amount of your outstanding debt, including any accumulated interest and fees. This comprehensive assessment will provide you with a clear picture of your financial obligations. Next, analyze your income, expenses, and assets. Understanding your cash flow and available resources is crucial in formulating a realistic negotiation plan. Take into account your monthly income and any additional sources of revenue. Evaluate your expenses and identify areas where you can make adjustments or cut back. Additionally, assess your assets to determine if any potential resources can be utilized during the negotiation process. Step 2. Opening communication channels, building bridges with creditors. Once you have a comprehensive understanding of your financial situation, it's time to open communication channels with your creditors and debt collectors. Initiate contact with them and express your willingness to negotiate. Be proactive and make it clear that you are committed to finding a mutually agreeable solution. When reaching out to creditors, provide them with the necessary financial information and be transparent about your current circumstances. This open and honest approach will help build trust and increase the likelihood of a successful negotiation. Remember, effective communication is key to resolving your financial difficulties. Step 3. Preparing your negotiation strategy, a roadmap to financial relief. Before entering into negotiations, it is essential to prepare a solid strategy. Take into consideration your budget and determine the maximum amount you can afford to pay towards your debt. By setting this limit, you can establish a starting point for the negotiation process. When discussing payment options with your creditors, try to negotiate a reduced lump sum payment or a more manageable payment plan. Use your financial assessment to support your case. Highlight any financial hardships you are currently facing, such as job loss, or unexpected medical expenses. These factors can significantly influence the negotiation process, as creditors may be more willing to work with you when they understand the challenges you are encountering. By developing a well-prepared negotiation strategy, you increase your chances of reaching a favorable agreement with your creditors. Remember to stay focused, be persistent, and remain flexible throughout the negotiation process. Step 4. Effective negotiation techniques. Remaining calm and professional. During negotiations, it is crucial to remain calm and professional, even if the conversation becomes tense. Maintaining a respectful tone can help create a more favorable atmosphere for productive discussions. Providing documentation. Support your negotiation efforts by providing documentation that supports your claims. This may include pay stubs, bank statements, or medical bills. Concrete evidence can strengthen your case and increase the chances of reaching a favorable agreement. Requesting debt validation. If you are dealing with a debt collector, it is important to request debt validation. According to the FDCPA, debt collectors must provide written verification of the debt's validity upon request. This verification ensures that you are negotiating with the correct party and not falling victim to scams or incorrect information. Step 5. Effective communication strategies. Active listening. During negotiations, practice active listening. Pay close attention to what the creditor or debt collector is saying, and take notes if necessary. By actively listening, you can gain a better understanding of their expectations and concerns, allowing you to address them more effectively. Negotiating payment terms. When negotiating, focus on finding mutually beneficial payment terms. Offer a specific amount that you can comfortably afford to pay, or propose a modified payment plan that aligns with your financial capabilities. Be prepared to negotiate and find compromises that work for both parties. Getting agreements in writing. Once you reach an agreement, ensure that all the terms are put in writing. This written agreement will serve as a reference point and protect your rights if any disputes arise in the future. Review the document carefully before signing, and keep a copy for your records. Final thoughts. Negotiating with creditors and debt collectors can be a challenging process, but with the right strategies, it is possible to find a resolution that works for both parties. By assessing your financial situation, opening communication channels, and using effective negotiation techniques, as stated, you can take control of your debt and work towards financial stability. Remember to remain proactive, respectful, and persistent throughout the negotiation process. With determination and perseverance, you can navigate through your debt obligations and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Thank you for watching Personal Finance Insights. We hope you found our videos informative and valuable in your financial journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to helping you make sense of your money.